Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an egg sandwich in an easy way. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your preferred bread, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget a slice of cheese, plus a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Make sure your non-stick pan and spatula are within reach, and we can begin cooking this delicious breakfast in just a few minutes. Now, let's get those eggs cooking perfectly. In a small bowl, whisk your 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until just combined. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat until it's shimmering. Pour the egg mixture into the hot pan. Gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath, creating soft, fluffy curds. With your eggs nearly done, it's time to assemble our delicious sandwich. First, toast your 2 slices of bread to your preferred level of golden crispness. While the toast is still warm, place your cheese slice on one piece. The residual heat will help it melt beautifully. Carefully transfer your perfectly cooked, fluffy eggs onto the cheesy toast. This creates a wonderful base for our simple yet satisfying meal. To finish, place the second slice of toast on top of your egg and cheese. You can cut your sandwich in half for easier handling or enjoy it whole. Serve your homemade egg sandwich immediately to savor its warmth and fresh flavors. It's a quick, satisfying meal perfect for any time of day. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.